Mistral AI has once more captured attention by unveiling their newest flagship model, AU Large, also referred to as Mistral Large. This advanced large language model enhances reasoning abilities to an elite level, essentially establishing a new benchmark in the field. It ranks as the world's second leading model accessible via an API, trailing behind the frontrunner, GPT-4. However, it is rapidly narrowing the gap with GPT-4, positioning itself as a strong contender close to the largest language model currently available. Currently, access to this model is available through Azure as well as its own platform. Unfortunately, the model is closed source, meaning access is restricted to its own datasets or web page. It can also be accessed through its partner Azure. However, the closed source nature of the model is a notable limitation. Previous models from Mistral AI were already impressive, matching the performance of GPT 3.5 and the Llama 270 billion model, despite having only 7 billion parameters. However, the new Mistral Large model is now surpassing both GPT 3.5 and Llama 270 billion in every benchmark, an astonishing achievement. Additionally, comparison graphs of the Mistral Large model on the massive multitask language understanding MLU benchmark show it competing against GPT-4, Claude 2, Gemini Pro, GPT 3.5, and the Llama 270 billion. This benchmark focuses on evaluating extensive multitask language understanding capabilities. This feature, while not entirely new, introduces the capability to access Mistral models directly through their own platform, showcasing their newly designed chat interface. It's quite impressive to see the effort they've put into crafting this user interface UI, enabling users to easily access any Mistral model they have developed through it. You can gain access by signing up for their waitlist right now, and I'll include that link in the description below if you're interested. In today's video, we'll dive deeper into the new Mistral Large model, examining comparison metrics and much more. So with that in mind, stay tuned, and let's jump straight into the video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's episode, we're exploring Mistral Large, their most advanced and latest large language model available through their platform. This new flagship model elevates text generation to the cutting edge, boasting top-tier reasoning capabilities. It shines especially in complex multilingual reasoning tasks, demonstrating proficiency in text understanding, transformations, and even code generation. Essentially, it excels in virtually every domain it's tested in. This model has achieved remarkable performance across widely recognized benchmarks, managing to outperform GPT 3.5 as well as Llama 270 billion on every single benchmark without exception. Some noteworthy aspects of this model and its capabilities include its proficiency in multilingual tasks, with native fluency in English, French, Spanish, German, and Italian, along with a nuanced understanding of grammar and cultural context. Additionally, it boasts a 32,000 context window, which is impressive as it facilitates precise information recall from extensive documents. This essentially means that users can upload larger document sizes to the Mistral model, and it will be capable of processing and generating better output based on the provided context. Its ability to follow instructions precisely enables developers to tailor their moderation policies effectively. This is indeed an exciting feature, and as mentioned earlier, it can be accessed through their chat interface, which we discussed previously. This means you can utilize this capability via the platform developed by Mistral AI, ensuring it's securely hosted within their application. Additionally, the model is accessible through their partner Azure. By visiting a specific link, you can access it within Azure's AI Studio, which offers a guide on how to get started. Initially, you should navigate to the AI Studio landing page, where the model can be loaded. From there, you have the option to deploy it immediately, choosing the pay-as-you-go option for deployment. This setup essentially enables a pay-as-you-use model, allowing for flexible usage based on your needs. To access this, you would first subscribe to the marketplace offering the ability to deploy the model. After subscribing and paying for access through the marketplace, you can then proceed to deploy the model and utilize its functionalities on a pay-as-you-use basis. Now, examining Mistral's largest capabilities, we focus on a highlighted table that showcases its comparison against other large language models in areas of common sense, reasoning, and knowledge. Remarkably, this model has outperformed every other model in these critical aspects, demonstrating its superior understanding and analytical abilities. In the bar chart presented at the beginning of the video, it's astounding to see that Mistral's model has outperformed Llama 270 billion, GPT 3.5, Claude 2, and Gemini Pro 1.0 on every single benchmark. What's even more remarkable is its ability to surpass GPT-4 in specific benchmarks like ARC and Tri-QA. This highlights the model's exceptional performance across various standard benchmarks, showcasing its proficiency in complex reasoning and knowledge-based tasks. It's exciting to witness Mistral AI developing a model that not only holds its ground but in some aspects outshines GPT-4, marking a significant advancement in the field of AI language models. Regarding its multilingual capabilities, Mistral Large's performance is detailed in comparison to Llama 270 billion's multilingual capacities. Further examination reveals Mistral Large's proficiency in mathematics and code generation. It is highlighted that Mistral Large outperforms every single model except for GPT-4 and Gemini Pro in one specific benchmark. Specifically for Gemini Pro, it's the humane benchmark where Mistral Large falls short, and in the case of mathematics on the GSM-8K benchmark, Mistral Large is outpaced. However, in the vast majority of comparisons, Mistral Large demonstrates exceptional proficiency in code generation, underscoring its status as a cutting-edge model excelling in this domain. Not only has the Mistral Large model been released, but also the Mistral Small, which provides an optimized alternative for low-latency tasks requiring smaller token usage. This newer model surpasses the performance of the older Mistral AX70 model while also achieving lower latency. This positions it as a refined option among their offerings, bridging the gap with enhanced efficiency and effectiveness. It presents a more viable option for users seeking the advanced capabilities of their flagship model without the need for the extensive computational resources that larger models demand. This means that users of the Mistral Small model will benefit from the same innovative features that are present in the Mistral Large model, such as RAG retrieval augmented generation enablement, function calling capabilities, and endpoints that offer a more simplified approach to utilizing open weights. Moreover, with the introduction of the Mistral 7 billion model and the Mistral 8x7v model, new optimized models have been developed. These models not only include endpoints similar to those found in the Mistral Small model, but also introduce multi-currency pricing for organizational management. This enhancement facilitates users in accessing and utilizing these models through their platform, providing flexibility and ease of use across different organizational needs and geographic locations. Delving further, the focus on JSON format and function calling marks a significant step towards reducing latency across all endpoints. By adopting a JSON format mode, it ensures that the model outputs valid JSON, which in turn facilitates more natural interactions for anyone utilizing the model. This feature is particularly beneficial for developers engaged in code generation, as it streamlines the process, making it more efficient and user-friendly. By enabling the model to output structured data, developers can more easily integrate and manipulate the generated content within their applications, enhancing the overall utility and applicability of the model in real-world scenarios. Regarding function invocation, this approach enables developers to integrate Mistral's endpoints into their tools, facilitating more intricate interactions with their internal code base. It also enhances the ability to leverage APIs or databases more effectively than previously. The latest updates introduced with the new Mistral Large model include enhanced functionality and a concerted effort to refine JSON format and function invocation. Alongside the release of the new Mistral Small model, the Large model has been launched, garnering significant interest and effort in the AI sector. That wraps up today's video on the new Mistral AI model. I hope you've gained some insight into the enhancements and features introduced with this model. All the links to the resources I used in today's video will be provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, activate the notification bell, and like this video. Also, take a look at our previous videos to stay informed about the latest AI developments. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, spread positivity, and I'll be back with more content very soon. Peace out, everyone.